What is one thing you need to focus on in today's marketplace as a buyer? Many prospective buyers today are concerned about the interest rate, where the market is headed, and whether they're going to be paying too much for a house if they buy right now. While that last sentence may sound very fitting for today's market, the reality is buyers are almost always concerned about these three things. That's not to say those concerns aren't valid right now because the market is shifting in many areas of the country. But if you're waiting for the market to shift entirely in your favor, you're probably not going to see those price drops that you're hoping to get. What you can control is your ability to comfortably afford the house you buy, whether you buy it now or whether you wait. No matter what the market is like, it's almost always important to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start looking at houses. That will give you a firm grasp on how much a lender will allow you to borrow and helps you to focus on houses you know you can purchase. But just because a bank approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you have to spend that entire amount. A lot of buyers think that if the mortgage company approved them for $300,000, then they can comfortably afford those monthly payments at $300,000. In theory, that's true. But the mortgage company is only looking at those debts that show up on your credit report, automobile payments, how much your rent is, credit cards that you may have, installment loans, student loans, things like that. So if you're used to going to Starbucks every morning and getting a $7 mocha latte, then are you still going to be able to do that when you purchase a $300,000 home? Are you going to have to make lifestyle changes in order to afford that monthly payment? So your lender is considering the bigger picture of your expenses, but they can't and won't know your day-to-day lifestyle unless you broach that topic with them. So ask your mortgage rep to help you analyze how much your actual mortgage payment will be on a monthly basis, not just how much you're approved for to go out and spend on a house. Think about what you need to spend money on each month besides your housing. How much are your car payments? How much do you spend on groceries? Do you like going out to eat quite often? Do you like to travel? Are you saving for or paying off college tuition? Will you need to cut back on some things, or will you be able to continue the lifestyle that you're used to? As long as you know how much your monthly mortgage payment is and you're comfortable with it, you can truly feel better about buying a house in this market or any market for that matter. If you can afford it on a monthly ongoing basis, it doesn't matter if house prices drop for a period of time or if your interest rate isn't as low as it might have been had you bought the house a year ago. If house prices drop, just don't sell until the price bounces back. And if interest rates drop, then you can always refinance to lower your rate and your monthly payment down the road. I'm Amy Schrader with Remax Real Estate 10 here in Morristown, Tennessee. If you're looking to purchase a home in today's market or if you're looking to sell, please feel free to reach out to me. 423-748-8811.